All right. Chi-Chi, the founder of the famous restaurant, Chi-Chi's, has been hired to hang drywall for one day. She has been given two choices for pay. Option one, she's paid $5 per sheet of drywall hung. Option two, she's paid $2 per sheet plus $12 in expenses. Write an equation to represent each option. So the first one would be y equals 5x, right? $5 per sheet. X is the number of sheets. Y is the amount she gets paid. The other one gets paid $2 per sheet plus $12. Okay. Graph both equations on the same graph below and tell where the two options are the same. So let's graph the first one. Since I'm going to focus over here, I'm actually going to put my X and Y axis right here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to worry about the negatives. 1, 2. Okay. So y equals 5x. That means it crosses at 0, and the slope is up 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Okay, so it's going like that. Let me cheat, use my little line tool here. Starts at here, up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1. There we go. Cheat a little bit. You can use cheat too. You can use your ruler. The other one, 2x plus 12. Go back to my pen. And let's do this one in red. It crosses at 12. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, jerks. I'm going to have to do this differently. Daggone it. They're messing with me. They're messing with me, I tell you. Let's, yeah. Why would they do that to me? Why? Why would they do that? I don't know. We don't know why they do most of what they do. All right, so we got to go up to, okay, so let's try this again. Let's see here. Let me also get rid of this line because it's now in my way. Byline. Oh no, bye. Just go over there. All right, so let's try that again. I can't go by ones, or I won't be able to get to 12, or I could just start at a number above 12. Let's start at 5. We'll keep this as the y-axis. But instead of starting at 0, we got 0 is going to be down here. This would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is right there. Then 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay. So 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0 down there. Okay. To make this one a little bit more difficult to graph, other than the fact that I know it crosses at 0, 0, and it goes up 5 over 1. So I know it's going to be right there. Up 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Okay, so I know the slope is 5 over 1. Hey, I'll just reuse my little line here that I had. And we can probably make it a little bit longer. 5 over 1, and it would go down to wherever 0, 0 is down there. Okay, so there's that. Now let's do this one. And we'll go back to red. Red. So this one crosses at 12, and it goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Oh, man, it's still not going to be on my graph. Jerks. I'm going to have to come at this from a completely different angle. I was really not planning ahead when I was doing this one. Right? It's going to cross up here somewhere. Now, I'm kind of annoyed by this problem anyway because there's an easier way to find where they cross than graphing them, but they're wanting you to do the graphing. Find the solution by graphing is what technically they're doing right now. And so they want you to do it this way. We're just going to look to see where they cross. That's what we're doing. But again, they've picked a graph that is not going to fit on this graph, so that's annoying. Well, let's estimate, because I don't want to redraw this whole thing again. So if it goes up 2 over 1 again, I think it's going to be up 2 over 1 again. I think it's going to end up being right here where it's going to cross. They'll both be the same, right? And so we could estimate here, and that's why I don't like the find the solution via graphing, because sometimes you end up having to make a little bit of an estimation. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4, and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what that means is Chi-Chi will make $20 at 4 sheets of the what was it? They're doing drywall, 4 sheets of drywall. Either route. After that, the pays will be different. Initially, this one's better, but eventually this one is better in the long run. But at 4 sheets, it's exactly the same. But more than 4 sheets, the $5 per sheet would be the better option. Anyway, that's problem number whatever we're on.